Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to allow members to change your group's info on the Telegram app for PC using the latest update. If you're an admin and want to give your group more flexibility, follow along step by step. First, make sure you're logged into your Telegram account on your computer. Once you're in, look for the group where you're an admin and open it. This is where you'll be making the changes. At the top right corner of your group chat window, you'll see 3 vertical dots. Click on these dots to open the group's options menu. From here, select Manage Group. This will take you to the group management settings, where you can customize various aspects of your group. Inside the management menu, look for the section labeled Permissions. Click on it to view all the available permissions you can grant or restrict for your group members. Here, you'll find a list of actions, such as sending messages, adding new members, and changing group info. To allow members to change the group's information, find the option called Change Group Info. There will be a toggle or checkbox next to it. Enable this option by clicking on it. This grants permission for members to edit details like the group name, description, and photo. Once you've enabled Change Group Info, don't forget to click Save at the bottom of the permissions window. This ensures your changes are applied, and members can now update the group's information as needed. That's it. You've successfully updated your group's settings to allow members to change the group info on Telegram for PC. This can help your group stay up to date and collaborative, especially if you're managing a large community. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with other group admins. For more tips and tutorials on using Telegram's latest features, stay tuned and keep exploring. Thanks for watching.